hope you're all feeling hair-dorable today. I know I am, because today I'm here with none other than the brilliant Callie. Hello, everyone. Now we've got something very special planned, haven't we, Callie? We certainly do. Today we're going to be playing #BestFriendSwap. So if you're new to my channel, how this works is one of my besties and I swap places and set each other a super fun challenge. I've challenged Noah to take on a science project, programming a robot, and I've challenged Callie to take a skateboard lesson from me. Let the fun begin. Everything I know about physics is telling me not to stand on this piece of wood with wheels on it. Don't worry, you've got the best skateboard teacher around. So Callie is ready to take on her first skateboard lesson. Step 1 is to hop on the board. Oops, sorry Callie. I didn't mean actually hop on. Okay, take 2. Carefully place one foot onto the board. I did it! That's great! Now push yourself along with the other foot. This is harder than it looks, Noah. It's okay, I've got a fantastic idea. Whee! Whee! What is all this stuff, Callie? This is my programming lab. The challenge is to use the laptop to tell the robot what to do. Awesome! First, we need to wake him up. Now see if you can make him move forwards. Mr. Robot, move forward! No, not like that. You have to type in a command into the computer. Oh. Noah, you made him go backwards. Oops, no problem. I can fix it. Now he's jumping. It's out of control. Run! Well, thanks for watching Best Friend Swap, and we'll see all you hair-dorable people next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!